What's up, guys? It's me again. I'm back with another video. For those who didn't see my last video, I'm having a partnership with Victus. They're from Netherlands. This is the box that was sent to me and I got it. So let's see what's in here. Here we go. There's the company that I did a partnership with. I like how this goes. You have here, is a here for modern day warriors, for the ones who keep showing up. Yes, sir. This is the Try Me pack that I got. 3 nutrition is the 4 energy water, lemon. They even got flavors. That's the best thing. All right. This is deer water. And you got pineapple and citrus. You have strawberry and lemon. The After Nutrition water. So I want to thank Victus for sending me this to help me perform better. I am definitely looking forward to working with you guys, and everybody go check them out, Victus, and I'll put the link in the description below. See you guys later on.